Howdy, Dr. Mike Batt here. I want to talk to you about a program we have. It's called the 7-Minute Huddle. What we're trying to do is restore routine and structure, things that we've lost in our lives, by using simple mind, body, and spirit drills that we'll give you every week. Incorporate those into our lives to help restore healthy habits we need back in our lives. This is a fun program. We try to make it entertaining. I give you lots of information that I've obtained over the last 28 years of clinical practice. We hope to see you soon on the 7-Minute Huddle.
My name's Jeff Banks, CEO of Superior Communications. Our employees have found it to be very beneficial. The appreciation that we've felt back throughout the organization for something that seems so big for them, but in the scheme of things is so small for us as a company as it relates to the expense required to broadcast this message to all of our employees on a consistent basis. We see value in giving our employees a little piece of positivity, not only for their mental stability, but also for their physical stability. So thank you, Dr. Batt.
This is Chris Conti, the Chief Revenue Officer at Health Edge. Just wanted to thank Dr. Mike Batt for all he's done for the company. We signed up with Dr. Batt several months ago, and with everybody working from home and such an interesting time that we live in now, it was much needed, and going through all the exercises with Dr. Batt has been a lifesaver. I know many of the engineers at our company who spend countless hours coding and hunched over a computer doing great things for our healthcare customers know the feeling of the pain in their neck and in their back and in their shoulders, and those are most of the folks from our company that come to Dr. Batt's videos and use them extensively. So thank you for that, Dr. Batt.
I'm Rich LaPlace, president of NMB Technologies Corporation. Like many companies, NMB is operating with a 100% home-based office model since the beginning of the pandemic. Shortly thereafter, we engaged with Dr. Mike Batt and implemented his Prosper with Posture program to ensure we were all taking conscious care of our mind, body, and spirit. There's no doubt in my mind that these programs have helped with employee productivity and well-being. We have now implemented the 7-Minute Huddle. These short videos are concise and to the point and help us practice proper posture and set our mind right for the week. Our employees at NMB love the Batman, and I approve of this message. Thank you.